Hello guys, welcome to the channel. Just about to take the Maxx out for a quick blast, even though it's just about to start to rain. Going to be running on these 4000 milliamp 50C discharge Rhinos from Hobbyking, which seem to be quite good. So yeah, let's see how we go. That's better. Ooh. Well guys, I think we'll call that a wrap because the UK weather is just shocking. As soon as I come out the door, it's just absolutely hammering it down. Truck's filthy dirty, so thanks for watching and we'll see you next time.